일찍 태어나를 우리 같이 함께 춤을 춰. Hey friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you. Today I will be doing a study with a dummy with everyone because we are going to learn Korean. I just felt like doing this because I need to improve my Korean, and I have been really into karaoke, and it's not safe to go outside to do karaoke, so I'm doing it here in my house with my laptop and this microphone. I'm going to use multiple resources in translating what it says, one of which is color-coded lyrics, which is a classic translation website. It shows you the Romanized version, the Hangul version, and the English version, so it's just great. And also, if there's multiple people singing, it also highlights it by color on who's singing it. And I also will be using Papago, which is just a classic. I think it's by Naver, and it's basically like a Google Translate but better, because it's more grammatically correct, I would say. So yeah, I just wanted to point out that I tried filming this like 10 minutes ago, and the first song that I chose was 친구에서 연인 by Standing Egg, and it was difficult because I couldn't find like translations for the lyrics. I scrapped that song even though I love that song. Highly recommend it. So I'm gonna move on to my next song for the day, which is 이런 Ending by IU. That's one of my favorite karaoke songs, and I manage to sing it every time I open this microphone and like just sing along to it. I'll try to understand the whole song basically, but I don't have time to, I guess, translate the whole song in this video because I want to be able to, I guess, see more songs, if you know what I mean. So yeah, okay, let's get right into it. 안녕 오랜만이야 물음표 없이 참 너다운 목소리 진짜 모르게 너는 나 행복할 자격기에서 박수! Yay! Okay. Literally one of my favorite songs. I absolutely love IU. I'm reusing the same page that I used. This is the one I failed at. We're just gonna ignore that, but we're gonna start here. And I just put the title. And obviously the first line is 안녕 오랜만이야, which is, it's been a while. Hello. I'm still having a hard time, I guess, writing Korean. Like, I can write, but I cannot size it properly, if you know what I mean. Like, I get a little sizey, I feel like. Like, the letters end up getting big. Hello. I gotta put translations on the lines. See? Oh my god, this is so hard for me. 물음표 없이는. 없이, I just know that's not or none. 목소리 is voice. 목소리. And the next line is 정해진 교티처럼. Also guys, just wanted to share, I got a 5 on my AP exam from calculus this May. I got my scores last week and I was very proud because that I achieved that. So yeah, now I'm never gonna take math for the rest of my life. Okay, next is 좋은 문가에는 같은 내 자리. 똑같은 means like the same, so your seat is always the same by the cold entrance. What I like about Papago is that it shows you the singular translations of each word at the bottom left. This is really sad. Also, I really like karaoke because it practices your reading skills. So yeah, and also like speaking skills, since you do sing and you speak the lyrics, I guess. So that's a lot of practice, which is why I really enjoy it. It's just that it's hard to read faster and keep up with the pace of the song, especially if it's like a rap song. So these kinds of ballads by IU are really easy for me to pick up the lyrics and I guess understand it better. So yeah. And also the title, by the way, just gives away that it's gonna be a sad story about a breakup because 이런 ending or ending scene. I guess I could do 0 o'clock for the next song, which is also my favorite. It's such a great message. I've obviously, as an ARMY, I've read the lyrics and everything, and I absolutely love it. It's also one of my favorite songs to sing other than IU songs.
세상은 아주 작은 숨을 참아 0 o'clock and you gotta be happy and you gotta be happy 낮에 야는 전처럼 숨을 쉬자 처음처럼.
Now we can read the lyrics. I like the pre-chorus especially. That one's like 집에 와 침대에 누워. We're gonna start with that one, okay? 집에 와, which is obviously house, like I go home. This is how big I write in Korean. Like, I feel like it's too big, but I think that's normal if you're learning, I guess. 침대에 누워. So the whole statement is in bed, okay? And then 생각해봐, which is, I think, I ponder. Guys, we're learning so much from this. And 내 잘못이 있을까? 잘못이었을까? 쉬었을까? But I know it's like 잘못, so like 잘못했어, I did something wrong kind of thing. So it's my fault. That part is really hard for me to say. 있을까? 어지러운 밤. 밤 is night. 어지러운 is chaotic. Studying these lyrics made me realize how interesting the Korean language is, and like how much you could learn just from writing and rewriting the lyrics and reading it over and over again. Like, it helps a lot in memorization. So this is really good. I highly recommend doing this. So 문득 is suddenly. Suddenly my choice is clear. Do you guys know Victorious? So it's from that. So I'm gonna stop probably until the pre-chorus, like the pre-chorus, you know what I mean? Like the one that starts saying 0 o'clock, because obviously the chorus is just English except for 1 or 2 lines. And then 초침과 고와. That's how I remember if it's o or u, because sometimes I flip it, especially if I'm like combining 2 vowels like that, like wa, wo. Yeah, I don't know if that makes sense. Like, that's my logic in, I guess, connecting the vowels together, and it works. So yeah. 세상은 is the world. 아주 잠깐 is just a little bit. 아주 is just extremely, basically. 숨을 is, sum is breath. So 참아 is what? 참다. And that means to suppress it or hold or stop. Oh, that's so nice. The world holds its breath for a very short time. The day is gonna be over and everything's gonna be a new day. I really love that message. It's kind of like at the end of every bad day, you could always just start a new one and like just forget about the last one. Like, this is why I super duper love this song, and it's just about moving on and pulling through. And I just really enjoy that kind of message from BTS and like any other song. I think this is a wrap for today's Korean study with a dummy moment. I feel like I did learn a lot. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you all keep growing. Bye! 안녕!
And you're gonna be happy. And you're gonna be happy. It's all around. It's all when you zero, look like